2026 na, gumagamit pa rin ba kayo ng mga sabon na may harsh chemicals? Enough na akala natin glow up, bakit mas nagiging dry, mahapde, at sensitive yung balat? Hi, today I'm your soapmate Nikki and I'm very excited to finally launch my handmade natural soaps with love and intention. Minsan, hindi kailangan ng skin ng mas marami, kundi mas gentle. This soap is made with real honey, oat milk, and almond milk to soothe, moisturize, at calm sensitive skin. Next one, I call it Midnight Detox. Detox pero gentle. Activated charcoal draws out dirt and excess oil. Tea tree oil helps fight acne-causing bacteria. Rice milk keeps skin soft and balanced. Clean pores, calm skin, no harsh chemicals, no overpowering scent. And lastly, I believe that brightening doesn't have to be harsh. This is my kojic soap. I call it Turmeric. It is made with turmeric and kojic acid. Turmeric helps calm and brighten. Kojic acid gently fades dark spots over time and also infused with tea tree and lavender oil for clear, balanced skin. Kaya ngayong 2026, let's choose gentle, skin-loving care. Hindi lang yung nagpapaputi, but something that protects and heals your skin and make it glow inside and out. Because the real glow, it's not rush. It's healthy skin.